Going to be a video showcase of my TV app project that I have been working on recently. Um, this TV app project basically I stored a bunch of animes, TV shows, whatever into a Mongo database, and we are displaying that through this web application using the React front end. And our backend is Spring Boot, which creates an API for the React front end to use. And our backend is written entirely in Java, but I won't get too in depth with the code in this video, as this video is solely meant to be a showcase of this web page I developed. I will show the database um, for better understanding of how this works, but let's go into showcasing this. So as you can see, we're loaded into this. As loading movies is just a debug that I was doing. We're greeted with a bunch of shows, animes. I will add movies soon here, but all of this is gathered from Mongo database, which is then gathered by the backend, Spring Boot. But as you can see, we could scroll through these arrows. This carousel is set up perfectly using React, very nicely formatted. We could even scroll I'm on a PC device, but if I was on a mobile device, I could simply scroll without the arrows, just like this, and it's perfect. As you can see, each show or anime has a play button, which will redirect you to a trailer or a review. First, let's check out the review. This is the most core feature of this website. We can leave reviews on certain animes. As you can see, this little text box. This website is in very early development, so there's a lot of fundamentals missing still. But you can see reviews up here. We can scroll down. Let's submit a quick couple word review. Vinland is amazing. Let's submit that. You can see the review gets saved right here, stored with these previous reviews I left. I left these reviews earlier, and if we go back to our home right here, clicking this takes us home. We could go back to Vinland, go to reviews, as you can see. Let me show you how the website looks like in full screen, since I showcased the mobile. We have a login register, which I forgot to showcase. We have a hamburger menu right here, or drop-down menu. Click this, it goes to login, register, watch list, and home. Home is the only button that works out of here, as you can see, because these are still in early development and being developed, as they will be released in a future time. But as of now, we could ignore these. These are just possible implementations. Home, we can click that. This works, but yeah. Here's a full screen desktop. As you can see, beautifully formatted with React. Perfect. Now let's showcase the trailer, that the trailer works. Let's go to Vinland Saga. As you can see,
do you want a sword?
Takes a link to the trailer. I'm not going to show that, but it's pretty cool.
A sword is a tool meant to...
Let's go back home. Let's click on another trailer. Let's go to Invincible. I love this show. As you can see, each play button redirects you to a YouTube video, which just gets played. Let's leave a review for this. I love this. Let's submit this. Gets saved right here. Now, you may be wondering how these reviews are getting saved, and what if there are the reviews that I want to delete. So, remember that review that I left here? Vinland is amazing. Well, glad you asked, because we store that into a Mongo database. All these reviews are stored as an object ID with the simple body that is the review. And if I want to, I'm not going to get too in depth with this, but if you do have any questions about how I set this up and everything, You could visit my website, anliliwas.com, ANLILIWAS.com, and simply go to projects. You could view source code, or you could just contact me on my website. I usually respond within 1 business day, so just contact me and I'll respond. I'll help you out. I'll show you how I did it. But this review that we left for Vinland, I believe, was Vinland is amazing. As you can see, it's not here yet because I haven't refreshed it. But if we refresh it, we scroll down, we could see it went from 19 to 21. Vinland is amazing. You could I could simply edit the review if I wanted to. Like I could change the content of it, but or I can just simply delete it since it's a garbage review. Delete that. Refresh the website. As you can see, it's gone. That review is gone. It just shows how the Mongo database is incorporated into this website, how well it all works out, and all of these are basically loaded from this database as well, set up in this format where I grab the IMDb ID of each anime show, and these are real. These IMDb IDs are real if you look them up for each anime show website. And basically each anime or show movie will have a genre, as you can see. Invincible is animation, action, adventure. Dr. Stone is animation, adventure, sci-fi. Once again, these are for future purposes because this website is in early development, and I plan to add a search feature where you could search based on genre, based on other stuff, and hopefully create a better web app. But you can see we have trailer links. These are also real, which take you to the trailer. The poster links, the backdrops, all that. It's all stored into here. I manually made all of this. But yeah, that is all there is to see in my database. But I think I did showcase all that needed to be seen, as you can see. But now let's go into our backend. I will not showcase my front end as much because it's all mainly just design and incorporating the backend data, but I will showcase my backend, how it works. Basically, I won't get too into depth because this video will be an hour long if I explain every little thing. Basically, we have a class for each type of action. Say we have a review. We need a movie review controller, which basically navigates the reviews. We need a review class. We need how the review properties work. What is a review? That's basically what the backend is doing. And we also need a movie controller. That is the reason we could scroll through the database, because the backend is telling us it's fetching the movie data and storing it like that.